Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Wagyu Ribeye to perfection. First, let your beautiful Wagyu Ribeye come to room temperature for about 30 to 45 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Next, it's crucial to pat the steak completely dry with paper towels. This step is vital for achieving that incredible, crispy crust. Finally, season generously with coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Remember, Wagyu's natural flavor is exquisite, so simple seasoning is best. Now for the sear. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Add just a small amount of high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, to the pan. Carefully place your Wagyu Ribeye in the hot skillet. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side for a beautiful medium rare. For precise results, use a meat thermometer. Aim for an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. The resting period is just as important as the cooking itself. Once seared, transfer your Wagyu Ribeye to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. After resting, slice the ribeye against the grain into beautiful, half-inch thick pieces. This enhances tenderness even further. Serve immediately and savor the luxurious, buttery texture of perfectly cooked Wagyu. To elevate your Wagyu experience even further, consider a quick pan baste. During the last minute of searing, add a tablespoon of butter, a crushed garlic clove, and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme to the pan. Spoon the melted butter over the steak for added aroma and flavor. Pair your exquisite Wagyu with simple sides like roasted asparagus or a light salad to let the steak truly shine. Enjoy every moment of this premium culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.